Welcome to AIR All-Inclusive Reviews, where we take the guesswork out of deciding on your next getaway. Please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the little notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Today, we are going to take a look at the Blanc Spa Resort, which is Cancun's #1 rated, adult-only, luxury, all-inclusive resort. For 10 years, this resort has received the coveted AAA 5-diamond designation, which only 26 hotels in Mexico have achieved such status. Blanc reopened its resort in 2019 after a $30 million renovation. It now boasts extensive interior and exterior enhancements, including a completely redesigned lobby, upgrades to its meeting spaces, well-appointed new designer guest suites, redefined restaurants with exciting new gourmet dining menu options, and newly decorated common spaces, bars, and lounges. Blanc is located in Cancun's sought-after hotel zone and pampers its guests from the moment they arrive. It is this level of attention that separates Blanc from its competitors. Expect to be greeted with cold towels and coconut milk, and have a butler unpack your clothes. At the pool, an attendant will not only provide ice-cold bottled water, but chilled towels and sliced cucumber for your eyes. There are also free afternoon treats around the pool, from popsicles to ceviche. Blanc even has its own app, which you can use to make spa or golf reservations. Ask your butler to prepare a specific bath. Select your in-room aromatherapy choice, or order your favorite pillows. Blanc's gorgeous design lives up to the level of service. The building and most of the interiors are a chic and minimalistic white. The curved lines accenting the ceiling and the marble tile floor extend to the free-form pools. Although sparse on vegetation, palm trees do dot the grounds. Paths meander around between the various edges of the pools and the eateries with exterior access, eventually leading down to the flat, expansive sandy beach stretching out for miles north and south of this resort. Blanc rooms are contemporary and streamlined, with cream marble flooring, white walls and bedding, and chic silver fabric accents. Standard amenities include fully stocked minibars, liquor dispensers with premium brands such as Bacardi, Absolut, and Johnny Walker, and Lavazza coffee makers. Plus, turn-down service includes homemade petit fours. On the technology front, there are DVD players, Apple TVs featuring iTunes and Netflix, digital safes with space for a laptop, and free Wi-Fi. The aromatherapy and pillow options are luxurious extras. The bathrooms are a highlight, featuring marble countertops and flooring, Bulgari toiletries, bathrobes and slippers, garment steamers, and ladies, leave your hair accessories at home. Blanc provides Chi hair dryers and flat irons. Rainfall showers are separate from the 2-person whirlpool tubs that are either in the bathrooms or out in the main rooms overlooking the balconies. The bath can be prepared with customized bath salts and rose petals by the butler. The 429-square-foot Royal Deluxe is the entry-level category, and it has a king-size or 2 double beds, which can sleep 4. Available views from the Royal Deluxe room can vary from resort, lagoon, or partial ocean views. While Royal Junior Suites are ocean view and Royal Honeymoon Suites are ocean front. The resort also features the spacious Royal Governor Suite, as well as a 1 or 2 bedroom presidential suite option, which are situated oceanfront. Around 2/3 of the rooms offer at least a partial ocean view. One of the only downsides of the Royal Deluxe, Honeymoon, and Junior Suites are that the balconies are little more than railings, with hardly any room to stand, let alone sit. Le Blanc has excellent cuisine, plus 24-hour room service is available for no additional fee. Blanc is the main restaurant, offering a buffet spread for breakfast and lunch, and at night, it transforms into an a la carte steakhouse with Mexican food options. Terraza is a wood-fired bistro with gourmet delights where you can enjoy an a la carte breakfast with a sublime sunrise or succulent wood-fired options for lunch or dinner. Masterpieces of Italian cuisine can be found at Bella. And let the flavors of Japan astonish your taste buds at Yama. Lumiere is the most formal fine dining option on the property, with a focus on French fusion gourmet fare and the option of a 7-course tasting menu with wine pairing. Le Blanc's vibe is relaxing and quiet with a variety of restaurants and bars that offer many entertainment styles, such as violin and piano music in the lobby bar, 2 swim-up bars, 3rd floor Cava lounge to enjoy bands, a little disco or DJs at night. All food and drink are part of the room rate, including top-shelf liquor. Additionally, nightlife can extend a short walk north to the clubs such as the famous Coco Bongo. Blanc Spa, a paradise within. Blanc Spa is intimate, indulgent, and ready to treat you to a robust menu of extraordinary treatments. Don't say we didn't warn you, but you may not want to leave. Complete with Le Blanc treatment suites, including 1 master suite with high-tech hydro tubs, 7 indoor couple suites, and 11 single suites. If this were not enough, explore the following areas during your complimentary hydrotherapy journey: sauna, steam room, ice room, jacuzzi, cold and warm lagoons, warm beds, shower, and private dressing rooms. The state-of-the-art gym is open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. The gym contains life fitness exercise equipment, including a variety of cardiovascular machines such as elliptical machines, treadmills, and bicycles. Other equipment such as small dumbbells, weighted bars, jump ropes, mats, balls, and foam rollers are also available. Certainly created for the discerning traveler, Le Blanc elevates the vacation experience with an uncompromising determination to exceed your every expectation. Thank you again for watching this AIR All-Inclusive Reviews video. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more resort review and overview videos soon. Please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Click the little notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos.